Tired of waiting hours for trades to play out? Imagine turning penny price moves into consistent profit without having to wait. That's the power of scalping. In the next few minutes, I'll show you what scalping really is, explain why it's considered as one of the best trading styles for some traders, and share some tips that might change your opinion on short-term trading. Scalping is a fast-paced trading style where you enter and exit trades within minutes or sometimes even seconds, aiming to capture small but frequent profit. Unlike swing or position trading, scalpers don't care about the big market moves. They focus on speed, precision, and repetition. This can be a bit stressful, but this means you are less exposed to unpredictable news and economic events. Now you might be asking, why is scalping considered as the best strategy by so many? The answer is speed and consistency. With the right strategy, you don't have to hunt for long-term trends. Instead, you can simply target high-probability moves over and over. So, what are the most successful scalping strategies? The truth is, it's more about clarity than complexity. Some scalpers combine the momentum indicator because it measures the strength of the moves with the Williams percentage because it shows overbought and oversold zones. This is great for timing entries and exits. Alternatively, you can also use the rate of change oscillator because it measures how fast price is changing, helping you to confirm whether a breakout has enough speed for you to scalp profitably. Either way, success with scalping isn't just about indicators you use. It also depends on your ability to stick to the plan. Avoid revenge trading and trade during volatile market sessions. The real technical analysis secret traders overlook is that success comes with consistency. Here are some tips I'd like to share with those of you who are interested in scalping. Scalping requires focus, so stick to liquid assets like major currency pairs, gold, or even big stocks. Use shorter time frames like 15 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even 5 minutes as they reveal micro moves in price actions that longer time frames hide. Also, remember that your edge is in executions, so don't chase the market. Your power comes from waiting from signals that align with your strategy. Above all, manage your risks carefully by limiting your risk exposure to 2 to 5%. And also, scalping involves opening a lot of trades, so small slips end up quickly. Finally, avoid cluttering your chart with many indicators and keeping them things clean to maintain clarity and speed. These are the habits that separate beginner scalpers from professionals. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment with your favorite scalping trick. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more strategy breakdown and technical analysis secrets. If you want to explore scalping further, I encourage you to check out another video about scalping or trading tricks. The link can be found in the description. As always, stay sharp, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.
Olymptrade. Care that counts.